Today I'm going to teach you how to read Spanish very quickly. All you have to do is learn the vowels, the sound of the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Those are the 5 sounds that you need to learn. Everything else will fall into place. The only difference is that you have the letter CH, which is ch, like charro, charro. So it's a CH. The H is a silent sound. So there's no sound on the H at all. So the next letter in line is the one you're going to read. So that would mean hola, hello. You don't pronounce it like in English, hello. You just say hola. The next letter would be the J, which is like a H sound, Javier. So ha, Javier. Okay. Double L, that's like a Y. So the word, it's not tortilla, it's tortilla, tortilla. So it's a ya. The ñ, that is a ñ sound. So like niño, boy, girl, niño, boy, niña, girl. So you need the ñ, niña, piña, pineapple. You need the ñ, otherwise Pina. It would be short for the name Josefina, a woman's name. It's totally, completely different without the line over it. Double R is like you roll in the R. That's when you roll the R. You don't roll the R with the regular R, just a simple R. You roll the R with a double R. So the word pero is with an R. Pero means but. I want to go to the store, but quiero ir a la tienda, but perro means dog. That you roll the R's. Perro. Okay. Then X is kind of special. So the name Javier. So you can use it like a, like a J sound, Javier. But then you can also use it like a, that's another name too, but that's Sochi. So now you're using it like that, where here you're using it like ha. So it's kind of special. But everything else falls into place. So if you know the 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U,